Hi everyone, it's Kristi. I just wanted to hop on here real quick. I took my daughter to work today and I ran over to Hobby Lobby to get one thing. One thing. Why is it when I go to Hobby Lobby to get one thing, everything's on sale? Well, they coordinate their sales, I'm sure, because all the paper's on sale, all the ribbon's on sale, everything I want is on sale. So I'm going to go through quickly, and I'm not going to show you details because we are going to use this coming up soon and this is, there's probably a glare on this, but let me see if I can get rid of the glare. This is the Paper Crafting Kit Vintage Christmas, and I'm telling you this now, this week it's 40% off. We are going to be using this in our July. I'm going to be making my December daily book journal in July so that I can have it for December to journal in. So I'm going to be using the Vintage Christmas Paper Crafting Kit for mine, and the paper pad also here. It's $13.99, guys, and 40% off. And wait till you see what I got. You're not going to believe it. I spent $50 and I got a ton of good stuff. So yeah, this is really cute. I love these old little churches and old buildings, and yeah, I'm a lover of vintage Christmas. So look for that in July. I also picked up this ephemera kit because I have the paper pack for the ephemera paper. I think I already bought this, but you know what? It's ephemera. I can use 2 of these. So I picked it up because it was on sale. So here is the other bag. And yeah, I went a little crazy, but they had Tim Holtz in the clearance section, guys. They are really clearing out their Tim Holtz stuff. So I got this. This is a 3D texture fades A6. I don't, it's an embossing folder. Let's see if I can get that in there. $3.11, originally $12.99. So that's really cool. I don't think you can see that side of it, but I'm excited because it's got that damask or I don't know, Art Nouveau. It'll cover a lot of areas. And I almost didn't buy this one, but then I thought, you know what, it looks quilted. So I think I'm gonna, there you go. I think I'm gonna like that one too. There again, $3.11. And these are 4x6. All right, I don't even know what this is. I bought it because it was $1.74. It looks like Stickability's Faith sticker pack. Okay, so the one that was in the front had stickers removed, and this one is still stuck, so that's why I always reach to the back. See, and there was a comedian that used to talk about this, who reaches over the first 2 pieces of bread to get to the next piece of bread. I never use the first 2 pieces of bread. They might be stale, but yeah, this has a bunch of stuff in it, so I think that'll be fun to play with. And then lastly, Thinlits for $5.51. So these were originally $21.99. So I went ahead and got this poinsettia one. I have another poinsettia one that is different, but yeah, I'm excited to use this one. And this one is one I've been wanting for a long time. People use this a lot. I couldn't believe it was $5.51. They had 3 of them at Wildflower Stems #1. That's what that one's called. And this one is just called Festive Bouquet. And then I went ahead and got this one because who can't use extra foliage? Garden Greens is what that's called. There again, $5.51. So I think I got a pretty good haul. And so I've got 5, 10, 15, $20, $25 worth of Tim Holtz stuff, and then that, and then last but not least, I thought that was oh, and I picked up some of these because, guys, I told you I got brushos coming. These were $1.99. I don't think they were on sale. I think this is what I originally went for, $1.99, and it cost me $50. But these are wax resist sticks. So I want to use those with the brushes. In fact, I'm going to leave them up here before I put them somewhere I can't find. So I picked up another one of these because these are $3.99, guys. 40% off. And I mean, I use this ribbon. This one even has rope in it. That's really thick, like 1/2 inch thick. That's some nice stuff. I'm thinking nautical. But yeah, and each one of these is different. None of them are the same. I don't know if they're like end cuts or what, but fabulous. And I picked up the black and white one because why not? It has also silver. So there's like silver cord, all kinds of fun stuff in here, guys. Even eyelash. I love the eyelash on. This is the way to go right here. $3.99 and 40% off. This is cheaper than AliExpress. This is a good deal. But then I went ahead and bought this one. Okay. I bought one of each because they had this is very bohemian, and I have been wanting to make a bohemian journal for a while. This is like woven, and it's got shiny glitter. I don't know if you can see that, but it's also on this side like chenille. Excuse me. Just a lot of fun, different trims in this one. And on the camera, it's coming through, looks like a little bit more blue than it actually is. This one is like a neon green. This one is like not quite a navy blue. It's not that dark, but this one, yeah, I think that one's showing up a little bit better when I picked it up. This is kind of a teal green. This is what I would call like a, we called it teal blue. But yeah, neons, the hot pinks. That's the back of that. Oh, look, that's cool with the zigzags. I really like that. So anyway, lots of fun. And don't tell my husband. Although he wouldn't say a word, he never does. He's like, well, I'll just make the money and you can spend it. He's crazy that way. But anyway, I wanted to get on here really quick and show you what we got. Because I wanted to make sure if you have a Hobby Lobby near you, you could run over and see if they've got this Tim Holtz stuff. And I'm not going to go back next week because next week is a different sale. But the week after, I might be back and see if there's any more Timmy stuff. So I don't buy a lot of it because I don't like to pay shipping. If I can't find it on Amazon or Hobby Lobby, I kind of skip it. But anyway, I hope you like that haul. We've got that. And then don't forget, we've got the Vintage Christmas that we're going to be using in July. I'll probably do a couple of projects for that, but definitely going to be making my December daily journal for that. So anyway, I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye now.